Hello, my friends. I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today, we are going to be continuing our story of a friend Glenn. Now, Glenn, in this particular thing, in video number one, which you can see up here, okay, he basically created his influence by making different memes and you doing great creative work. Then in part two, he took it further where he started writing poems and he started doing really good copy, and it was all in there. Now, saying that, he is now pushing it further in this part 3, where he is going to make sure that now he creates his influence larger than his circle. Okay, so now in this part 3 we are going to be seeing that how he could create an social or moreover a very good outside his circle influence. Okay, so let's get started. So the first website he goes to is app.vertune.com. In this website, he says that I'm so and so. You say who you are, the language that you want to work in. It has got loads of languages, and from where you found them. This particular thing we can add to Chrome, or you can go directly to the AI website. We are going to add it to Chrome. Okay, I know we are not working in Chrome, we are working in Opera. So it has an add-in even to Opera also. Okay, and now let's say write and phrase and read summarize. Let's go to the first one, write and rephrase. So we come here and we give it a prompt. So write a brief introduction for a print designer with 20 years of experience, okay, who is an avid table tennis player too. Let's do one thing. Let's train it. Okay, so consider yourself. Okay, let's train it. So it will talk in first person language. Okay, it will not talk in third person language. Consider yourself as a print designer with 20 years of experience, table tennis player too. Write a brief introduction for yourself, telling people about you, your motto. Okay, let's give him a name also, Huzefa Tapia, and write a brief intro. Your motto in life is to empower new budding designers with the knowledge and see them grow. Okay, now let's then generate this. See this. This is brilliant. Okay, throughout my career, I've had the privilege of working very, very big and small and having contributed to the success of numerous projects. Okay, now this is great. Now I have copy pasted something else which is slightly faulty in nature with spelling mistakes, grammatical mistakes. You see that? Okay, now let's see how this works. Okay, so it works exactly like Microsoft Words, where it kind of underlines everything, and now it also allows you to rephrase it. Okay, so you come, let's say that I want to shorten, so I'm shortening it. So instead of 8 lines, now it's become 6 lines. So once I upload the PDF, and this is what will it will give me. Now this is a 7 page PDF. Okay. Once you see all that is in blue no is what is written here. Okay. Now you say expand all. So it will expand the points. It will become slightly more elaborate in nature, giving you everything in point format. So deep learning had only 1 point, now it has two. So next he goes to slides.ai.io. Now what happened here is that he wanted to take this one step further. Okay, so he installs the app, and now AI is now a part of his Google Slides, where once he puts an add-on and comes here, okay, so you go to slides.new and you create a blank slide for yourself. In the extension, go to generate slides. Okay, once that is done, now let's put this text which I have done on advertising, and let's see what it gives. Now it's finished creating, and let's say understood and close this. Now you see this? This is created a 10-page slide on advertising. So if I need, I can use this directly where it could directly give me hints to different pointers and then I could present. Now let's come here and say edit slides. Now once you come here, what happens is that it gives you that how you could remix slides. Okay, so now you see it has remixed these particular slides but not given any data in it. So data you have to put on your own. Now if you see, this is our untitled, and this is what I had created for another person. Now, so then you go to synthesia.io. He goes to synthesia. Now over here he creates an avatar for himself. Okay, over here he could again work with 120 plus languages. Let's see this.
Our video creation platform enables you to communicate in many languages at the click of a button.
Great, isn't it? Let's see this.
Our video creation platform enables you to communicate in many languages at the click of a button.
Superb. Now let's see the last one.
અમારું વિડિયો નિર્માણ પ્લેટફોર્મ તમને એક બટનના ક્લિક પર ઘણી ભાષાઓમાં વાતચીત કરવા સક્ષમ બનાવે છે.
Wow, a foreigner spoken Gujarati also. So that's great. Okay, now these are the different type of avatars. So you could use an Indianized face if you're talking about Gujarati. Depending on the language you're choosing, you choose that kind of a face and you could take it forward from there. Now video templates. Now this is how you create a video. Okay, and let's see the template.
Below there. This is a simple medical presentation template that you can fully customize according to your needs. The first scene layout is designed for an intro to your video. This scene layout is designed for situations where you need to add one or more image assets. This scene layout is designed for bullet point content. Use it for short, catchy phrases that draws the eye of the viewer quickly. Use this layout for a comparison scene or other content where you need to split the screen. This layout is designed for situations where you need more screen space. And this is a simple layout for an ending scene with a call to action.
Superb. So I mean, if I'm a medical person, I could really do this. Now this is custom avatar. Now the issue with this is that you need to actually log in and you need to pay for this particular thing. It is not allowing me to generate anything free. Okay, so it's asking me to create an account. So this is the amazing thing about uh,
Hey, I'm Rosie, and
this.
this is what
Okay,
an AI
and
avatar looks and sounds like.
Hola, yo soy Martín.
Et moi, je m'appelle Paige.
And I'm Matt. Create an AI video and try it out for yourself.
see how they are working in different accents. Okay, then what he does after creating this amazing PPT, he looks for a job, and but he has no experience in creating a resume. Let's create a resume also online. Okay, so let's choose a template. There are thousands of templates that you would choose from. Okay, depending on what kind of a person you are in terms of your personality and what you are applying for. Okay, so he chooses this, and let's start writing my details itself. Let's see how it works. Isn't this beautiful? I mean, it goes with the layouting. Not only that, let's go quick with this. Okay, and now we ask AI to write our whole experience. Okay, so it's whatever that a print designer does. Okay, then you add job titles, and there, see, once you put one work experience, it writes everything on its own depending on what it is, which you can obviously edit. Okay, so this is the benefit. Next we come here and we get into our skills. So print, let's say software. and give it full. Then we come here and put another skill name, Coral Draw, skill name Photoshop, and then we come here copywriting. So okay, I went wrong here. Now see it asking me to upgrade. No problem. Let's see what's this price tag. Wow, I mean, if I go only for 1 month, because I'm going to write 1 or 2 resumes in 1 month, I'm going to surely, go ahead with my resume. So I think 750 bucks for any of these templates is super. But when I come here and I say export, it comes and it gives me simple word format. I mean, this is also in a brilliant layout. Okay, so if you don't want to pay, this is also good enough. Or if you want something really creative like what they are showcasing, then you go for 750 rupees, and it's really worth it. Okay. Now he went to copy.ai. In copy.ai, what he did is that he took this whole thing to a different level altogether. Again, he chose what he is and from where he got to know about copy.ai. Okay, then he said let's brainstorm. Okay, so this is what it takes you. Let's say real time search. Okay, so this is what summarize the latest news on generative AI. So this is what it looked online and gave over here. Now let's try plagiarism. Let's copy something that I've written, not in one place but in many places. Okay, let's see if it can trace out all the places. So let it search while we do other things. Okay, that is the benefit of this website copy app.copy.ai, is that you could work on multiple things. Let's copy this from our website itself. Okay, creativethinkershub.in, and we see, okay, this is what it is saying. So this is my brand voice. Okay, and it gives me everything about my brand voice. So it also tells me what not to use when I'm creating my brand voice. Okay, so let's see the info base and put creative creative thinkers hub. Okay, add the tags and let's upload a document. Let's search for this. Okay, AI print design webinar. Okay, and over here we let it search. Again, let it search. Okay, in the background things will keep going on, so you could keep moving to other things while things are happening in the background. It's an amazing AI tool. Okay, it allows you to do so much. Now, why it recommended certain things to me? Because of the questions that it asked me at the start. Okay, so it while if you are not in my niche, you're in something else, all this could be of really good use to you. Okay, now let's copy this. Let's come here and brand facts. Now it will run a fact on me. Okay, so it will give me a brand purpose on its own. It will define my brand vision. It will give me core values. Okay, so AI does all this for you. You would just take this, copy it, and just paste it wherever. So this is my brand story. Okay, there are many things I've never even thought of. I've just copy pasted a 3 sentences about myself, and this is what it gives. You see this now over here in the projects, it is giving me that it found this thing, or this is the 2 places where plagiarism happened. So isn't it a lovely website? Yeah. So this is how Glenn took things to a different level altogether. So my friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.